quadratic formula, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it equals 0. Make sure it equals 0. And then you identify the coefficients a, b, and c. A is in front of x squared. What's a? B is the number in front of x. What's b? And then c is the constant. C is 1. Okay? This way always works. So, like, if you want to do a one that, if you're like, I don't want to do factoring, I don't want to do it, I just want to do this way every time, you could. You could do this way every single time. It would work for every quadratic. And this one's nice too, because you don't have to divide. Like on completing the square, you have to divide through by a 2 there. It would just be kind of a mess. This one would be messy by completing the square. This would be very messy because you'd have a bunch of fractions everywhere. And then next, you're going to plug in a, b, and c into this formula here. I'm going to put in blanks. This is my dorky way when I write this. B squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I'm going to pause here for a moment. So you're plugging them into these blanks. So it's like negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I'd probably be writing this thing down on my formula sheet, but or your cheat sheet. Might write small. You can write whatever you want on there. Probably write down number 9 there too. So negative b, so b is negative 6. B squared, negative 6. AC all over 2a. Okay, so you just plug in those spots. Okay. The next step is to clean up around the plus or minus. What's negative times negative 6? Good. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to clean up the square root. What's underneath the square root, we're going to learn here in a moment. It's called the discriminant. So it's the discriminant. I'm going to type in the discriminant into my calculator. Put parentheses around it. 4, 2 times 1. 28. Oh, that's gross. Could be worse. That's 28. So I got to simplify that. Okay. 2 factors of 28. 4 and 7. 2 and 2. So it'll be 2 square root of 7. I'll write that there and there. Okay. By the way, you don't have to split them up on this one. You can because it's not imaginary, but you can simplify. Simplify. What's these three here have a common factor of what? 2. So I can divide each of these by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that would be 3 plus the square root of 7 divided by 2. And 3 minus, get my big left hand out of the way here.